This is everything you need to know about YouTube heroes in 1 minute. Go. 1. Why is this happening? Well, YouTube wants users to perform tasks that automatic bots are not very good at, such as adding accurate subtitles and removing videos breaking terms of service. Number 2. Why is this bad? Well, YouTube is giving people access to the tools that will make removing videos potentially very easy without a significant application process. Not only will there be a ton of trolls abusing the new tools, the program seems to be targeted at kids, considering only school-aged children will have enough free time to take down videos in hopes of earning incredibly vague rewards, including the top tier being a chance to go to a party and eat some cake. YouTube is going to be allowing children, likely below the age of 15, decide whether a channel is good or bad. Number 3, how do we fix this? Well, we all know why they wanted to add flagging tools to YouTube after the demonetization scandal, but this isn't the solution to that problem. YouTube Heroes is a great way to incentivize people to caption videos and answer support questions. Let's take out the dangerous tools and leave the cake. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and leave a like if you like this video format. Also, I now have Twitter.